Hello, in this video, we're going to show employees how to access their previous pay stubs. So starting on your home screen, if you scroll down under quick links and continue to scroll all the way under My Pay, you'll see the form of pay history. So if you click into that, it's going to look a little bit different on your screen because this is the test profile and we don't want real pay stubs being in these videos, but you should see your pay statements. And then if you need to look at your pay statements from a specific time, you can go under historical and you can enter in a time range. So you'll be able to see those maybe from last year or the year before. And then normally all of your pay stubs will be right here. You can click on them and download them. Like I said, because this is a test account, we don't actually have pay statements, but all of the steps will be exactly the same. Now, if you're on your home screen and you don't want to navigate through the quick links, you can also come up to this top, go all the way down to My Pay, and then Pay History. And you will get to that exact same page where your pay statements will be there. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the HR team with any questions. We hope you found this helpful.